Hi mga call na nasa sa atong pinataka na video. So for today's video, we will review this wonderful and amazing resort located in Hinira Luna, Siargao, which is called Patrick's on the Beach Resort. So I would say that this resort is one of the budget-friendly and most affordable resorts here in Hinira Luna. So why I say that? Because if you are in Hinira Luna, which is the main place, center place in Siargao, mga mahal jud kaayo ang mga resorts here. Like it will range from 3,000 to 6,000 per night for only two persons. So when we book our stay here in this resort, we are so glad because we got a very big discount from 3,000 or 5,000 per night stay in this resort. Nahimo na lang siyang 2,000 per night. And that is good for 3 persons. So if you want to check out the best prices, go on the links below in Agoda and check out their availability and check out the rooms. What are the best rooms and what are the affordable and available rooms if you want to stay in Hinira Luna, Patrick's on the Beach Resort. So just be reminded that it really depends on the availability and also season. So if you go for, during peak season, medyo mahal-mahal jud noon sila. Around maybe 3,000 to 5,000 per stay per night. But if you go in Siargao and check out Patrick's on the Beach on a lesser season or lesser known seasons like August or September, you can book stay here for maybe less than 1,700 per night. So check out the links for more information on the dates that you are available. So here are some of my tips if you want to stay here in Patrick's on the Beach Resort in Hinira Luna, Siargao. Number one is book your rooms in advance, especially if during peak season. Just book your rooms maybe 3 months or 4 months before your stay. Makalas jud ka, especially in this season right now, school season. So wala jud kayo'y wala kayo mo visit sa ilang place, especially around July, August, September, and October. And also, if you go here, bring your own snacks and drinks since the food is delicious, but it can be expensive for you guys. Also, be prepared. Be prepared if you are not into crowds. Be prepared during peak season because daghan jud kayong tao diri sa Siargao on those seasons. So hope you like this video. If you want to watch more of this kind of video, please like and share and subscribe to my video for more videos like this. So thank you mga call, and until next time.